Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi, I'm Nia and I'm doing a segment This or That with India Forums today.
Nia Sharma, who is currently seen in the show Ishq Mein Mar Jawa, was roped in by us, and here we did a fun segment with Nia called This or That. So without any further ado, let's begin. Book or movies?
Movies, of course. Why? Because I can't sit and read a book because I'm too fidgety. So movies I can watch, and because it makes me learn a lot, and most of what I want to do on screen I learn from movies.
Animals or people?
Animals. Okay, animals because animals behave like animals, people behave like animals, so you can't really like them. Particular animal, I like cute ones. मेरे को ना monkeys बहुत पसंद है, मुझे chimpanzees बहुत पसंद है. So orangutans, तो ये बहुत cute हरकतें करते हैं. So yeah.
Beaches or mountains?
Beaches. Why? Because beaches पे photos ज़्यादा अच्छी आती है. You get to get into the water. You get to wear bikinis. You get to flaunt. You have water activities. Mountains पे I know there is trekking. There is a lot of other adventurous activities to do. But मेरे जान ही नहीं बचती है तो मैं क्या करूँगी mountains पे?
Black or white?
White any day, because white stands out. In fact, मैं तो parties के लिए भी white ही choose करती हूँ. I know black is the color for parties, but then I know white just stands out.
Yeah, we can see that.
Yeah.
Tea or coffee?
None actually. मुझे black coffee पसंद है.
Online shopping or shopping in store?
Online shopping as of now, because store पे जाके shop करने का भी time नहीं मिलता है. So online is feasible, is relatable, and it's easier.
Twitter or Instagram?
Instagram! Instagram is fun. Instagram is life. Instagram is the world to me.
Video calls or chats?
Video calls.
Pizza or pasta?
None. I don't like junk food.
What do you like?
I like Rajma Chawal.
Android or iOS?
iPhones, because I'm using one.
Wine or beer?
None. I have stopped drinking. I like my stomach more.
Plain jeans or torn jeans?
Torn jeans.
Winters or summers?
The middle of it.
Tom and Jerry or Shin-chan?
Tom and Jerry. Shin-chan मैंने इतना देखा नहीं है because वो मेरा बचपन का was Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry में यार वो the cute banter between them, और वो सबसे funny होता है वो दीवार में जाके ऐसे छप जाते हैं ना जैसे. तो मेरा खतरों के खिलाड़ी में वैसा हो गया था. मेरे को 2 कार्स पे जंप करना था ऐसे पैरों पे, तो मेरे पैर तो गए नहीं उस पे कार पे, मैं जाके ऐसे टॉम एंड जेरी की तरह छप गई ऐसे. तो that was my Tom and Jerry moment, जैसे वो दीवार में जाके ऐसे कोई छप जाता ना, मेरा मुंह ऐसे छप गया. So I was on the verge of losing my entire mouth, but पता नहीं by God's grace मैं बच गई. So yeah.
Movies at home or movies in the theater?
Movies at home.
Friends or How I Met Your Mother?
Friends. Yeah, actually, it is quite funny, but I haven't really followed the series Friends. I have been more into Different Strokes or Small Wonder or Big Bang Theory. I have watched all of these more, and a few Netflix series towards this. But when Friends came, I had no idea about it.
Yoga or gym?
None. मैं yoga भी नहीं करती हूँ. Gym I had started, but then again, I will make an excuse that I don't get time, but I have to. But yeah, I think skipping. I would love to skip.
Dress up or dress down?
Dress down. My dress down is much cooler than my dressed up.
Long hair or short hair?
Long hair.
Heels or flats?
Not flats, not heels. I like the comfortable heels, the middle of it, which keeps your personality also intact and not very uncomfortable.
Kept in a cage with spiders or kept in a cage with snakes?
Kept in a cage with snakes, because snakes are soft, and although they will leave that redness allergy on your body, but then spiders तो खा ही जाते हैं यार कुछ तो.
आप लोग
दोनों को experience है, but then snakes was a better one.
5-star or Dairy Milk?
Dairy Milk. अच्छा chocolate बोल रहे हो, मुझे लगा 5. Oh नहीं, मैं chocolates भी नहीं खाती हूँ. I like Lindt more.
SUV or sedan?
Sedan for now, because I have a sedan.
Water park or theme parks?
Water parks.
Nutella or peanut butter?
ना मैं Nutella खाती हूँ ना मैं peanut butter खाती हूँ. मेरा ऐसे है ही नहीं है, सब चीजें ही नहीं है मेरी life.
Mumbai or Delhi?
Mumbai any day.
Perfume or mist?
Mist. Perfume महंगा होता है और रोज यहाँ पे shoot पे नहीं use हो पाता भाई.
Platinum or gold?
Platinum.
Tote bags or backpack?
tote bags.
Singing or dancing?
Dancing.
Morning or night?
Night.
Football or cricket?
Football.
Domino's or Pizza Hut?
None.
Waffles or pancakes?
मैंने नहीं, I'm not really a fan of all these things. मैं खाती ही नहीं हूँ, मुझे पता ही नहीं how they even taste. Pancake खाया हुआ है, but not really a big fan of those.
Pringles or Lay's?
Pringles, yeah.
Board games or card games?
Board games, card आता ही नहीं है.
$1 million or a chance to meet all your fans?
A chance to meet all my fans. I loved it, yeah. It's funny. जिसमें ऐसे कथा ना सुनानी पड़े, मुझे वो segments बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So I'm saying I've done a segment only for you guys, and thank you once again for being there, for always like a pillar, like a strength. And yes, it feels amazing. And the only reason why you survive on Instagram is because you know there are many other fan pages of yours that are giving you edits, and that they are making you feel alive on that platform. So yeah. Hi, this is Nia, and you're watching me on India Forums.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this segment with Nia. If you did, do comment and tell us. Ashima Chavra, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.